In the quiet of the night I close my eyes and your face appears like morning light. Every memory softly calls your name, but nothing in this world feels the same. The wind still carries echoes of you through empty streets and skies of blue. I try to smile, I try to be strong, but my heart still sings our old love song. And sometimes when the stars appear, it feels like you are still somewhere near. If you hear my heart in the silent night, know it still beats for you tonight. Even though you walked away, my love for you will always stay. Like a whisper floating in the air, like a prayer said everywhere. Even if we're worlds all apart, you still live inside my heart. I walk alone where we used to go, where laughter lived not long ago. Every step feels slow and deep, like a promise my soul must keep. Your voice still lingers in my mind, like a melody time can't leave behind. And though the road has pulled us apart, your name is written on my heart. If you hear my heart in the silent night, know it still beats for you tonight. Even though you walked away, my love for you will always stay. Like a whisper floating in the air, like a prayer said everywhere. Even if we're worlds apart, you still live inside my heart. Maybe someday the pain will fade, like evening shadows slowly laid. But love like ours will never die, it just learns how to say goodbye. If you hear my heart in the sun,